Hi people! Say hi guys! So we're going to open Mama's presents. Okay. He doesn't want to sleep. So he wants to join the vlog. Ayaw niya matulog. Okay, join Mama's vlog, okay? Let's open the presents. Mama's present. Okay. This one is from Mommy Cheryl. Thank you, Madam Cheryl. So, turn mo siya. Turn mo na damit. Thank you, Madam. Thank you, Mama Cheryl, for giving Mama. Okay. This one. Let's open this, anak. Ay! Kanino ba ito? Ito lang pangalan. So, pabango siya guys, body mist. Dalawang pabango. So, walang pangalan, hindi ko alam kung kanino. Mamaya, malalaman natin kasi alam ko kung sino ang nagbigay. So, ayan, 2 down. This one, pang Christmas pa yung bag. Paper bag. Pero okay lang yan guys, kasi mas maganda yung recycle. This one, pabango ulit guys. Thank you so much. Naku, marami akong pabango. Pero bawal si baby makaamoy. Kasi baby pa siya. What is this? Ano to? Wow, another. May another ako na ano, anong tawag dito? Anong tawag dito guys? Body bag? Shoulder, hindi naman siya shoulder. Ayan, thank you so much. Wala din siyang name, so, siguro kay Maricel at saka kay Jenny. Maricel and Jenny yata tong, yeah, Maricel and Jenny. Ito, and then the other one kay Mars Agnes. Tita Agnes, anak. And then this one, basahin natin, baby. Happy birthday, Lisel. So, the Kinanulas. So, from Ate Sheila, Kuya Abel's family. Ayan. Hand cream, guys. And then, chinelas. Mahilig talaga si Ate Sheila magbigay ng ano, ng sleeper. Thank you, Ate Sheila, so much. Thank you po. Batang ito ayaw matulog. Ito naman kay Mami Princess galing. Kay Mami Ses. Yan, may card si Mami Ses. What else? Figure thing out. Wishing nothing but love and happiness on your special day. Cheers to another year. You're the friend who always makes me feel like everything is going to be okay and anything is possible. You bring out the best in me. Happy 41st birthday. Thank you, darling. Tingnan natin, anak. What's inside? It's a mug. Ay. Yay! Choose happy, be amazing. Dalawang mug siya, guys. Isa kami ni Ben. Thank you, darling. So much. Yan. And then, sinong next? This one, wala namang pangalan, hindi ko alam. Kay Ate Tina siguro to. Yeah, kay Ate Christina. Yeah. Kay Ate Christina to. Yung kulay blue kanina galing kay Mars Agnes. And then yung ho 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 galing kay Jeannie at Sel. This one is from Ate Christina. Wow. Thank you, Ate Tina. May bagong hoodie po ako. May bagong hoodie si Mama Anak. Bagong hoodie. Kila matulog na ikaw. And this one is from... Ang galing talaga ni Ate Meds mag ano. Meron pa siyang mga patali-tali. Kay Ate Meds, saka kay Kuya Ronald. Happy birthday, Lizelle. So, let's see what's inside. Magaling to sila mag ano eh. Magbalot. Wala akong gunting pang tanggal ng ano. So, ganito ko na lang. Love! Wow! Galing naman. Ayan, display siya na love. Burns of Boston. Ano siya guys? Photo holder. Photo holder siya. Thank you, Ate Meds. Ayan guys. Meron pa palang isa. Yeah, meron pa siyang isa. What is this? Ayan, sensational accent warmer. Ayan, thank you, Ate Meds. So those are very useful. Thank you everybody for your presents on my birthday. Your birthday presents. Ang batuta po ayaw matulog. Okay, bye for now. God bless.